Algebraic fractions. X divided by 3 plus x divided by 4. X divided by 4. Now you have to take LCM of 3 and 4. It's better to draw just a line for LCM and write 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4 will give you 12. Now, don't write 3 over here. Don't write 3. You have to write 4. Okay, so I'm writing 4x. 4 multiplied by this term, x. Now, for the second term, don't write 4. Okay, because 4 is already here. You have to write 3. 3 multiplied by x. 3 multiplied by x. Now 4x plus 3x will give you 7x. And 3 multiplied by 4, 4 3s are 12. 7x divided by 12. This is the answer for this algebraic fractions. Next. T divided by 2 plus t divided by 4. Let's try to take LCM for this. T divided by 4. Now you can write 2 multiplied by 4. 2 multiplied by 4 will give us 8, which we will write in the next step. Now for this, don't write 2, because 2 is already here. Write 4. 4 multiplied by t. So we will write 4 multiplied by t. Now for this term, don't write 4. You can write 2t, 2 multiplied by t. So we can write 2 multiplied by t. 4t plus 2t will give us 6t. And for the denominator, 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2s are 8, which can be simplified further. We can cancel 6 and 8. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So the final answer is 3t divided by 4. This is the final answer. New question is, W divided by 2 plus W plus 1 divided by 7. Let's try to solve it. W divided by 2, W plus 1 divided by 7. We better draw a line for LCM, and we can write 2 multiplied by 7. Instead of writing 14, 2 7s are 14, we can write 2 multiplied by 7 to avoid any kind of error over here. So now you are not supposed to write 2. Are you understanding? Don't write 2 because 2 is already in the denominator. Okay, now you can write 7. 7 multiplied by W. 7 W. Now for the second term, don't write 7. 7 is already in the denominator. You can write 2. 2 multiplied by W plus 1. So I'm writing 2 multiplied by W plus 1. W plus 1 should be in bracket. Next step. 7W Now we are going to open this bracket. 2w plus 2. When the bracket is multiplied with 2, you're going to get 2w plus 2 whole divided by 2 sevens are 14. Next step, like terms are added. What are the like terms? 7w and 2w. These are the like terms. 7w plus 2w will give you 9. 9w plus 2 divided by 14. This is the answer. This is the final answer because you can't take any common from the numerator. And finally, you can cancel with 14. No, it's not allowed here. 9w plus 2, nothing can be taken common. Right? So this is the answer for this question. Next. V plus 3 divided by 2 plus 2v plus 1 divided by 5. Let's try to solve it. V plus 3 upon 2, 2v plus 1 upon 5. Now, just draw a line for the new step for LCM, and it will be 2 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 5, I have written these terms, 2 and 5. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 5 is going to come in the LCM. Now for the first term, v plus 3 divided by 2. You're not supposed to write 2. Just write 5. Okay, so I'm writing 5. 5 multiplied with v plus 3, this term. 5 multiplied with v plus 3. Now for the next, don't write 5 because 5 is already in the denominator. Write 2. So I'm writing 2 plus. Plus should come because here you are having plus. 2 multiply by this term. 2v plus 1. This is the main step for LCM. Next, just multiply these brackets, the numerator brackets. 5 multiplied by v plus 1 will give you 5v plus 15. 5 3s are 15. Now, 2 multiplied by 2v will give you 4v, and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Whole divided by 10. 2 multiplied by 5 will give you 10. Now remember, like terms can be added together. What are the like terms? 5v and 4v. These are like. So I'm adding this. 5v plus 4v will give you 9v. And 15 plus 2. What are the constants? 15 is a constant, 2 is a constant. You can add them together. It will give you 17 divided by 10. This is the answer because nothing can be done further over here. You can't take any common, you can't cancel. So this is the final answer for this question. Next. Five divided by x plus 7 divided by 6x. Let's see how to solve this. Five divided by x, 7 divided by 6x. 6x multiplied by x. What is the LCM? 6x multiplied by x. Remember that this x is already here. Okay, so you are not supposed to repeat when you are taking LCM. You can't write 6x multiplied by x. No, it's wrong. This x is already here as the denominator of the second term, 6x. So what is the LCM? Only 6x, right? So now don't write this x over here. Okay, you have to multiply 5. This x is already here, 5 multiplied by 6. This x is already written here as the LCM, 6 multiplied by x. So don't repeat it, but this 6 is not there. Okay, so I'm writing 5 multiplied by 6. 5 multiplied by 6 plus second numerator is 7. Only 7 to be written. Don't write anything with 7. Why? What is the reason? The reason is 6x is already been here, 6x. You can't write 6x again. You can cancel, just do like that, okay? And only 7 to be written. Okay, so now solving further, you will get 5 multiplied by 6, 30 plus 7 divided by 6x, which will give you 37 plus 37 divided by 6x. This is the answer. Nothing can be cancelled. 37 is not divisible by 6. You can't cancel anything. So 37 divided by 6x is the final answer. Next. 3 divided by 2w plus 5 divided by 3w. Let's solve this. Three divided by 2w plus 5 divided by 3w. Just draw a line for LCM. What is the LCM over here? The LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by w. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by w. Why we are not repeating w? See, w is 2 times. This term is also w and this term is also w. You're not supposed to repeat anything in the LCM. Write 1. 1 time only once. So I'm not repeating w. See, w is written only 1 time. Okay, so and 2 and 3 you can write because 2 and 3 is already there as the denominator for the above terms. Now solving it further. 2w is there. First denominator is 2w. Okay, so 2 and w, this 2 and this w, don't write. You can write 3. 3 multiplied by what? 3 multiplied by this 3. Are you understanding? 2w, don't repeat it because 2w is there as the LCM, 2 and w. Don't write it, but this 3 is left. 3 should be multiplied with this 3. So I'm writing 3 multiplied by 3. Plus, now this 3w, I'm not writing. I'm writing only 2. 2 multiplied by 5. Let's see what is the next step. 3 multiplied by 3 will give you 9. 2 multiplied by 5 will give you 10. Divided by 2 3s are 6w. What is the new step? 19 divided by 6W. This is the answer. 19 and 6, they will not be cancelled. And W is already there in the denominator. Right? So this is the answer for this question. Thank you so much for attending this session.